walking down the road about a week ago, underneath the bridge where the long trucks roll. Rotten red letters caught my eye, reading Jessie, dear miss me like I miss you tonight. Oh Jessie, don't hear you, neither do I. When you cry at the heavens with a world-coloured eyes, you made that bed, now you can sleep tight. Oh Jessie, don't hear you, neither do I. You walk this earth full of regrets, gotta kill that curse if you just confess. Swore you loved Jessie until he is dead, but only so much that you wrote it in red. Oh Jessie, don't hear you, neither do I. When you cry at the heavens with the rose-colored eyes, you made that bed, now you can sleep tight. Jessie, don't hear you, neither do I. If you could go back and make your stand, now Jessie gotta go with a ring on her hand. Oh Jessie, don't hear you, neither do I. When you're crying at the heavens with the world-coloured eyes, you make that bed, now you can sleep tight. Jessie, don't hear you, neither do I. Jessie, don't hear you, neither do I. When you're crying at the heavens with the world-coloured eyes, you made that bed, now you can sleep tight. Jessie, don't hear you, neither do I. I was walking down a road about a week ago, underneath the bridge where the long trucks roll. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This is a song called Jessie from a gentleman called Charles Wesley Godwin. Okay, so this is my preview demo version of this lesson that we'll be doing very, very shortly. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and see you in a day or so. Bye for now.